So this is our latest innovation, 3E Tech display. The display, digital display, adjustment 1 micron on diameter, flips over wherever you use the tool on all kind of standard finish boring tools and special finish boring tools with the 3E Tech technology.
It is the passion for providing solution for challenges by the customer which makes companies, individuals to make great innovations. I am at Wohlhaupter, where they are one of the leading manufacturers of boring tools, but I am going to come to a story where they have innovated a new product which can take the productivity to the next level.
We are here at Wohlhaupter and Allied booth. We are the manufacturer of hole making tools, especially finish boring tools, and our latest innovation we introduced 3E Tech technology is a display which can be hooked on special tools, on all kind of standard boring tools. Our boring range starts from 0.4 millimeter with a universal finish boring tool called VarioBore, with all kind of mini boring bars and bigger boring bars fitting on a standard boring tool, as well as auto balance tools, as well as aluminum bridge tools from 0.4 millimeter on diameter up to more than 3 meters on diameter. Our auto balance tools, you can see here, made of aluminum, also with the 3E Tech display, our latest technology, and wherever you use it on a vertical machine, horizontal machine, or on a presetter, the display flips over like on a mobile phone. The great thing about it, it can be adjusted 1 micron on diameter. So when we hook on the display, switch it on, this one, hook it on, and adjustment is 1 micron on diameter. When you take it off and you forgot to put the display on, you adjust it and put it on again. It shows the adjustment even without the display being on the tool while adjusting the tool. Again, what you can see, this has a different color. The display background can be adjusted. You can adjust from metric to inch, millimeter and inch. It's adjustable, and whenever you use it on a different tool, it shows the value which is set in each individual tool. So as I mentioned before, it can also be used on special boring tools. On our latest ES bore cartridges, 1 micron on diameter adjustment. We have universal cartridges which fit on either our tools, on our special boring tools designed to the customer specifications, or any customer who wants to build his own special tool or produce his own special tool can use our ES bore cartridges and assemble the cartridges on their own products. Also, you can buy the boring tools wherever you want with any carbide or boring tool manufacturer, and put the Wohlhaupter ES bore cartridges on the tool. We do have line boring bars over there, so even in the use with line boring bars, the displays can be used individually on each diameter of the boring tool, and again, wherever the tool is set, it shows a different diameter. We now change the cartridge or the display, the 3E Tech display. This has a different background color and shows the same value. Here, when we exchange the value, you saw it was 0. Now it's the different diameter according to what it was set before. And whenever you change the diameter here, again, it shows the individual adjustment of each individual cartridge. The ES bore cartridge, again, can be used on special tools. The 3E Tech display can be used on our entire range of finish boring tools, either standard boring tools from 0.4 to more than 3 meters on diameter, or again on all kind of special boring tools with our 3E Tech technology.